Imagine having an extra 10 hours a week to focus on high-level coding tasks, like brainstorming new ideas or optimizing your existing projects. With Claude Code, the latest AI-powered developer tool, you can transform your coding workflow and achieve just that. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the world of AI-assisted coding and show you exactly how to use Claude Code to accelerate your development process. Claude Code is a revolutionary tool that allows you to write code faster and with greater accuracy by leveraging the power of AI. Developed by the team behind the popular AI chatbot, Claude, this tool is already gaining traction among developers and tech professionals. By following our step-by-step guide, you'll be able to harness the power of AI coding and unlock new levels of productivity in your work. To get started with Claude Code, you'll need to sign up for an account on the official website. Simply click on the Sign Up button, enter your email address and password, and verify your account through the confirmation